Good day, everyone. Today we will be discussing the bony orbit. The bony orbit refers to the bones that constitute the margins of the orbits, and there are seven bones that comprise it. We will discuss them in a sort of clockwise fashion, starting with the pars orbitalis of the frontal bone here. We have the lacrimal bone here in olive, and medial to it is the lamina papyracea of the ethmoid bone. The lamina papyracea is special because it is the thinnest bone in the skull. Here, we have the orbital process of the zygomatic bone. We have the orbital process as well of the maxillary bone here. And very small here is the orbital process of the palatine bone. The palatine bone. Finally, we have the greater and lesser wings and the body of the sphenoid bone. A personal mnemonic I use to remember these is for lovers, each zebra makes perfect sense. The frontal bone, the lacrimal bone, the ethmoid bone, specifically the lamina papyracea, the zygomatic bone, the maxillary bone, the palatine bone, and finally the sphenoid bone, the seven bones that contribute to the bony orbit. This is our anatomy review of the day.